When all the lights on your AT&T U-verse receiver start blinking simultaneously, it's trying to tell you something important about its current status. There are 4 main reasons why all lights might be blinking on your U-verse box. First, the system could be booting up or restarting normally. Second, it might be downloading and installing a firmware update. Third, there could be a hardware malfunction or overheating issue. Fourth, the box might be experiencing signal or connection problems with your network. U-verse operates on an IPTV system, which means it delivers television content over your internet connection. This requires a stable broadband connection of at least 25 megabits per second and proper network configuration through your AT&T residential gateway. While AT&T is transitioning customers to newer streaming services like DirecTV Stream, U-verse boxes are still widely used. The good news is that AT&T has improved diagnostic capabilities and self-service tools through the My AT&T app. When you see all lights blinking, the best first step is simply to wait and observe. Allow 3 to 5 minutes for the normal boot sequence to complete, as many blinking light situations resolve themselves during this time. The first and most effective troubleshooting step is performing a basic power cycle. This resolves about 70% of blinking light issues. Next, verify all cable connections are secure and undamaged. Check coaxial, Ethernet, and HDMI cables for proper seating and any visible damage. Verify your internet connection and restart your AT&T residential gateway. Network issues cause 60% of persistent blinking problems. Ensure your receiver has adequate ventilation to prevent overheating. The device should feel cool to the touch and have at least 6 inches of clearance around it. For advanced troubleshooting, you can perform a factory reset by holding the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds while the device is powered on. This will completely reinitialize the box. Contact AT&T technical support if blinking persists after 2 hours of troubleshooting, multiple receivers are affected, or you see error codes during diagnostic testing. Since U-verse TV service is being phased out in favor of streaming platforms, consider migrating to DirecTV Stream or other streaming services for long-term reliability and enhanced features.